Good morning, everybody. So for you that don't know, Adam OZ will be hosting a meet this Sunday at 11 o'clock, 11 till 5:30. Update with the Nismo. Yeah. So we managed to put the bumper back on and stuff, but we kind of ghetto rigged it right here. So the bumper does flap. The damages are still there. So I don't know if my bumper will fly off with the wind, but we got this side fixed. Lugs and everything are fixed. And this side, we still have to change those studs out because they low-key got bent as well. Now, I am going to bring the Nismo. Hopefully nothing happens on the way over there because I am tired of shit happening to me. Swear to God, bad luck is after me. Anyways, guys, now it's time to get to work. Time to change these lugs, go for a test drive, and I hope everything goes well. Now that we got the collar pin out, we got the little shield that goes on here. We got to get this caliper off. Then we take off this big old bolt, and then this whole thing comes off. Now, these bolts came off pretty easy. For the other side, let me tell you guys, I fought with those bolts for like 20 minutes. These came off literally in like 10 seconds. So, oh shit. So I think it's gonna be a good day, honestly. I didn't have to fight with the bolts. Calipers are good, they're off. Also, guys, when you take off the calipers, be careful with your brake lines because you don't want to rip any of those. So just don't let it hang. There is like a little spot here that you can put your caliper on, that way it doesn't move. So whenever you just take them off, just put them there, that way you don't fuck around with them. Now we're going to take the center bolt off. Oh, where's my tool? For this bolt right here, you will need a 32mm socket. Yes, it's a big old socket, and I don't think anybody has it in the toolbox. Also, I recommend using an impact wrench. So of course we don't strip off the bolt, but I highly doubt it's not easy to strip that big bolt. Also, I've been getting a lot of question of what suspension I'm running, and I am running Raceland. That is their new suspension, their 3-piece suspension, and they are honestly really good. I just have to adjust the dampering because it's low-key a little bit too bouncy, but hey, I could deal with it. All right, guys, we just got the rotor off. This is your basic assembly. So to remove the studs, you have to go all the way back here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there is nuts behind that where you'll have to remove the whole wheel hub assembly. So once you take that off, you can actually see them right there. So once you take that off, this whole piece will come off, and yeah, you just hammer these off and you hammer the new ones back on. Also, tip, guys, whenever you are doing a job like this that requires you having a handbrake, release the handbrake, because if not, you won't be able to pull that thingy off. Alright, guys, so before you take those 4 bolts off in the back, make sure you take off your e-brake shoes. Make sure you take these off with your barrel, your springs, because then you can't pull this out. Wheel hub assembly out. I'm gonna hammer these little suckers out. I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, you can actually tell a little bit. They are crooked. So I went to AutoZone and I picked up 5 new ones for like $5 since I had a little discount with them, since me and my brother are always getting parts from them. But we're gonna hammer these out, and then we're gonna install everything back up. So we got the new studs on. I'm going to reverse process everything. I have to let the camera charge because we are at 7%. After I install everything up, we are going for a test drive. Hopefully everything goes well, and if it does, We're back on the road, boys, and we are going to Adam Mosey's meet. Oh, we did what we had to do. It's a lot sturdier now. I put the fucking tail light on and we did a couple adjustments in there. Sadly, my e-brake system is not working, but first gear holds the car in place, so we're not really too worried about that. I'll check it another day. So right now we're gonna watch the Z, and we gotta watch that one over there. Get ready for tomorrow's meet. And I haven't washed this car ever since I got back from Daytona, so yeah, the soap probably fucking shit up, but it's all right. We're gonna wash it now, so enjoy the time lapse. Alright, boys, the Z is all clean. We clean the rims tomorrow before the meet, and now we are going to go for a test drive. Hopefully everything goes good, and I can't stress that enough because I miss driving my car. Alright, boys, so we're gonna go for a test drive now, and let's hope everything goes well. Alright, bros, the moment of truth. We're doing a test drive right now. Low life. Fuck. I should have went the other way. All right, let's go. Bro, she's all good. She runs fine. Thank God. Now, that weird noise was that the freaking lugs were a little loose, but now they're tight. I went for a second test drive. I did a second gear pull, hit up to 100, and we're all good to go. Bumper's still intact. Nothing's going on. We're ready for the show, boys. All right, that's gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are at 81 subscribers. We are growing quickly, and I am planning on doing a giveaway for 100 subs. I don't know, something small, but hey, free is free, right? But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.